What's good, man? We back with another video, and today I'm finna show y'all how to kill y'all stomach pain or period pain fast, naturally. But before we get into the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We on the road to 1 million, and we ain't stopping till we get it. So the first thing you will want to do if you having a stomach pain or bad period cramps, you want to stop smoking any tobacco, any products really. No smoking, man. Leave the smoking alone. You don't want that. That's bad for the stomach while you having pain. The second thing you want to do if you having pain is stop eating processed food, sugar, fake food, all that. Get rid of it. You're gonna have to stop eating it. So I recommend, eating fruits, vegetables, light stuff. Maybe, potatoes, applesauce, but leave the heavy, fake stuff alone, man. You're gonna have to get that out your diet. All the fake food got to go. So that would be the second thing I recommend. The third thing I recommend you buy some type of form of water bottle, something like this, and go to your local grocery store and buy you some organic cucumbers, lime, and lemon. Either or, you can buy an organic lime. You can buy an organic lemon, it don't matter. Put it in a water bottle and drink that all day, every day. This type of water, this water is a detox water. It helps with your stomach ache. It helps with everything. It cleanses your body. It's a water I recommend, you drink even when you don't have a stomach pain, but you definitely want to increase your water intake and make sure, you get you some good detox water. The next thing I recommend is you go out and get one of these herbs I'm finna show you guys. There will be links at the bottom of the video, so if you're interested, you can click the link and do your research and find one you think will help your problem. The first one I would like to share is called red clover. Red clover is a great herb, especially for women. It helps, with y'all, period pain when y'all going through y'all cycle. It's definitely a great herb that you should just have in your cabinet, especially for the women. So red clover is definitely one I think you should look into, do some research on and add it to your diet. The second herb I recommend is the peppermint herb. The peppermint herb is another great herb. You probably noticed if you chewing gum and you feeling nauseous, you probably notice from some strange reason when you eating gum, your stomach stop feeling funny or whatever the case might be. It's really the peppermint flavor that's in the gum. But the thing about the gum, it's not pure peppermint. So you want to go out and get you some pure organic peppermint leaf. It's one that I take, when I'm feeling nauseous, if my stomach hurting or anything. So the peppermint herb is definitely another great herb. And by the way, all these herbs that I'm finna name are digestive system herbs, meaning it's for the digestive system. So you can play with these and figure out the combination. You can mix these and figure out which one will be great for your situation. But yes, peppermint is another great herb, and try it out, see if it works for you. So yes, peppermint is the second herb I recommend. The third herb I recommend is ginger root. Ginger root is another great herb. It's one you definitely should have in your kitchen cabinet. It helps the digestive system. It helps with many other things, but it definitely will help if you're having any type of stomach pain. It helps with, cramps, all that. So Ginger root is definitely another one you should have. Do your research on it. A lot of great benefits. So yes, get you some ginger root and add it to your kitchen, man. The fourth herb I recommend is turmeric. Ginger and turmeric kind of go hand in hand. I mean, you can mix them, but I usually just take one of them. I don't usually take both of them. But turmeric is another one that helps with pain, you know, inflammation, and a lot of other things. But mixing turmeric with a lot of these other herbs will be great. It has a lot of benefits. You can do your research on it. But turmeric is definitely another one I recommend if you know having stomach pain, cramps, or anything. You can click the links at the bottom of the video and, you know, read the benefits on it. And, you know, find the one that's best for you. But turmeric is definitely another one I recommend. So yes, add the turmeric herb to, you know, to your diet, and trust me, you will see results. The next herb I recommend is called yellow dock. Yellow dock is another great herb, very powerful herb. I only use it like when I'm having pain. You know, I don't use it like daily or if I'm feeling well. It's definitely a powerful herb. Women, for the women, that's another one y'all should look into, especially for y'all cramps. But yellow dock definitely will help for y'all situation. You can do your research on it. It's another great herb. But yellow dock, look into it, man. Get your stomach right, man. Nobody likes stomach pain. So yellow dock is another one I recommend. The next herb I recommend, it's not in capsule form, it's in tea form. When I'm having stomach pain, I primarily like to use teas, or if I am using capsules, you know, I mix it with the tea. But you know, you want that warm sensation to hit your stomach. You know, I feel like it helps when you're drinking something warm, and I feel like, you know, it heals faster. I don't know, maybe it's just something mental, but I like to drink tea when my stomach is hurting or if I'm having any type of stomach issue. So this next herb is in tea form, and it's chamomile, organic chamomile. Chamomile is another great one, especially for the ladies. If y'all having, you know, cramps, stomach pain, look into chamomile, man. They got different types of blends with chamomile. You know, find out which one will be right for you. But this is definitely another great one. You can even see on the back, it says herbal power, calms your nerves and supports healthy digestion. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is definitely a herb for the digestive system. And you really, if anything, really you should grab some chamomile, add it on to, you know, any other herbs, but chamomile is definitely in the top as far as helping your digestive system. So, you know, check into the chamomile tea, chamomile capsules. I don't have the capsules right now because I usually like it in tea form, but I have had the capsules. Works just as well, but like I said, when I'm having stomach issues, I like to have, you know, some warm tea. So it will be linked at the bottom showing you where I get mine from. So, you know, check it out and see, you know, if you want to add it to your diet. But chamomile is definitely another one. The last one I recommend is another herb in tea form. It works wonders. This one I was using when I had my last stomach bug. I was kind of like, cause I experiment with different herbs, so I was kind of experimenting, seeing what this one would do, and it worked wonders. You know, I was good to go in a few days. So the next one I recommend is the organic roasted dandelion root. Organic roasted dandelion root. And if we read the back of, you know, what they say it's good for, it says it stimulates the liver and supports healthy digestion, which is what this video is about. So you definitely want to tap in if you having stomach issues. Get you some dandelion root, you know, mix it with the other ones. I'm telling you, if you mix it, I recommend that you take some twice a day, morning and night. You know what I'm saying? Like, mix it up. trust me, you'll be good to go. This is definitely another great one. And like I said, if you're interested, there will be links at the bottom of the video. So yes, organic roasted dandelion root. Tap in, man. You know, get your stomach right. Nobody likes stomach aches. Nobody wants their stomach hurting, man. I'm here to help. We all human. So yeah, man, that's definitely all the herbs I recommend. But please, don't think you just finna take these and still live your nasty lifestyle. No, it doesn't work like that. It may work because it's so powerful, it may work, but it may come back. I don't know, I'm not a doctor, I don't know what kind of stomach issue you guys are having, but pain is pain, and everybody's gonna, you know, have some type of form of pain. I felt stomach pain, I had stomach pain, and I got rid of it. But you will have to follow the other steps. The herbs is just the icing on the cake. Leave the bad food alone, the fake food alone, the junk, the sugar, the cigarettes. You know, leave that alone, and then add the herbs to your diet. And trust me, voila, it will be gone. So that's it for this video. I hope this information helps, and you know, it heals your stomach pain. Like always, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more content. It's your boy King Kirk, and I'm out, man.